Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. You are asking me about where to get the ingredients I use in Turkish cuisine a lot. I have a great news that there is an online shopping site gourmetturka.com with more than 1000 Turkish products. I ordered some of their products for the first time and I got my delivery next day. It is okay since we are in the same city, but the best thing is they even deliver to more than 64 countries within 2 days with express shipping. So let's open the box together now. This is the first time I'm gonna see it. Even I was excited. I got this yesterday. I would have opened it right away but waited for you. And they have a beautiful box actually, and it is very sturdy. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Well, it is more important to have a safe box since shipping to more than 64 countries, and it's a wow, beautiful. I'm gonna cook it like this. Bon appetit. Thank you. And they are presenting a coupon worth of $25 in the next order. Thank you so much. That's nice actually. So I ordered lots of spices. Let's see what we have here. I love tin boxes actually. This is salt. Smells so beautiful. This is isot pepper. Really great. I'm gonna keep it open. And okay, my favorite. We have dried peppers and eggplants. I'm gonna make stuffed eggplants with it in the upcoming episodes. I'm very excited to try them. They look really beautiful. Sometimes you see some of them are cracked or can be broken. Especially the Aydın city and the Aegean region, hot part of the Anatolia makes these. Last year I shared in one of my vlogs some of the scenes, they drying in the sun. This is sweet pepper paste, nicely wrapped. And let's see what we have here. Extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. This is tomato red pepper paste. Let me check the smell. This is really beautiful. You can just spread it to a piece of bread and eat right away. But I'm gonna use it making these stuffed eggplants and also planning to make some kısır recipe. And this is pomegranate molasses, again one of my favorites. I use this a lot in salad recipes, making çiğ köfte. This is very natural and powerful ingredient. Another spice, smells yummy. I'm not exaggerating really, my friend. Looking so fresh. Allspice, always talking about. This is actually not like a mix of spice, but a special spice we use in Turkish cuisine a lot. These tins got me, you know. Wow, this is sumac. Beautiful. I actually planning to make a spice video, especially. It is on my list, but this sumac has a soury taste. We use this in salads and also in dolmas, making soft stuffed peppers and all kinds. Yes. And what else? Let's see. This is cumin. Hot red pepper. And I have sweet one too. This is rice. I'm gonna use to stuff my peppers and eggplants. Mint. Smells so yummy. I use this a lot in salads, in soups. I got comments that you even don't know how to use dried mint in soups. It makes so different. And finally we have tin bulgur. Let me show you closer here. We use it a lot in Turkish cuisine. We have thin and coarse ones. I'm planning to use this to make a kısır, which is an easy salad, very popular among the ladies. They call in Turkish tea parties we make. It's gonna be nice. So far I'm very impressed by the look and smell, but we're gonna of course taste it and try them in recipes in the upcoming episodes. It is also important to have a fresh ingredients. So I know that gourmetturka.com doesn't store the ingredients, but rather after the order they get it freshly and deliver it to you. So that's a nice thing. I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video and it will be helpful for you. So stay tuned for the recipes we're gonna make with all these Turkish flavors from Anatolia. I'm really excited to try them too. If you have any questions, just comment below and ask me, and you can also ask them. If I already make the recipes with these ingredients, the links will be down below and also in the right corner. You can watch them. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.